Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you fabulous. If not, I do hope things get better. I keep wanting to burp. I don't know what my problem is. Anyways, I am here today to talk to you all about Good Molecules. Not only because they sent me some goodies in the mail, I got a PR package. Yeah, to try out their two newest items for their Good Molecules stuff. But Beautylish was nice enough to send me over the two new products so I could try them out, test them out, so I can let you know how they are. I can't wait to dig in here. I've had this box for a minute and I've been dragging on doing the review. I can't wait to get these started. Actually, one of these products I can't wait to try because we've lost an hour. If you're in daylight savings time, as I am in Chicago, we've lost an hour, and you know, we get tired sooner, and we don't want to get up in the morning, and our face is puffy, and we blah 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 blah. Anyways, let's get started opening this up. I have my box here. It always comes with a cute little card telling me what the products are in here. And thank you so much, Good Molecules, and also to Beautylish for trusting me on doing these reviews, and also for using your products. And just thank you very much from this 46-year-old woman to you all. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful that you've given me this opportunity. So that is the box. It always comes with this beautiful little tissue paper here. We are going to talk about two different things. So I got the Clarify and Cleanse bar, which is new to their site, and also the which I can't wait to try, is the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. There is 60 in each container. If you see me with these swatches, I just filmed a video. I'm trying to do a couple of them in one shot. So let's get started. I'm going to use these tonight, and it says apply on freshly cleansed but dry skin. Oh, can I use them at night, or should I do them in the morning? Gently press into skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for a quick energized result, and gently remove hydrogel by sliding away from treatment area. Massage remaining serum into skin and follow up with normal skincare routine. And I love Good Molecules. I can't tell you enough. Between them and Strivectin, I've been using their products, and they leave my, I don't know if you can notice, my skin looks fantastic. And it all has to do, and that's all I've been using right now is Good Molecules and Strivectin. That I was also sent a lotion to try out, and I've been using that religiously for 2 weeks, and I've been using Good Molecules for a couple months. So let's see what they talk about. So right now on their website, so these are $18 a piece, and if you buy 2 jars, you get free shipping on the Good Molecules website. Beautylish, you can go to their website, and you can also buy Good Molecules there. And with I don't know if goodmolecules.com does it, but I know Beautylish does it. They have like their own payment set up where you can, instead of paying every 2 weeks, you pay every month for something that you're ordering. So that's actually a good thing. Oh my god, look at my hair. I gotta dye it. So let's see. Get a bright, wide awake look no matter how much sleep you got the night before with caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches from Good Molecule. These caffeine infused hydrogel masks work to brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness around the eyes in just 10 minutes. They're the perfect quick pick me up for puffy, tired looking eyes. So I will use these in the morning. I will film a video. I will maybe Saturday morning when I'm home. I can do my whole skincare routine for the morning, and I'll do that. So let's open it up. Oh, what is this? Comes with this, and let's take a sniff. Ooh, oh man, I'm gonna tell you, I already love it, and I haven't even put it on my face. You guys, you know how when you get this one was stuck. You know how when we get these gel mask thingies, they come in a little package, you have to rip it open, and then you whatever. This thing is full of serum. Look at that. I guess this is to pick up the eye mask, so I'll pick one up. Look at that. It is full of serum. Oh man, you know my cheap ass will probably save it. I will. I probably will save the eye masks if I don't rip them to reuse them. It don't really smell like anything. Oh man, I love that they put them in a container like this. Instead of getting like each individual little package and then ripping them open. This is way better, you guys. And if you're a cheapskate like me, you'll save up the serum and just put it on your face. So let's see. I don't smell anything. It might have a fragrance, but what I smell right now is my wipe. No, it feels good though. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels very hydrating. Oh, I love it. Maybe I can put some of the serum on my face. Like if I'm feeling puffy everywhere, I can put it all over my face. Perfect. It comes with a little spoon. Maybe I should have read. Like, so the spoon goes like right on top here. Put on rock. So it goes like that. And then this goes on top and twist it. Oh, I love this. Fantabulous. Good molecules. 60 patches, 30 pairs. And that is fabulous. So it says AM and PM, but I think I will be using these in AM. I love their stuff. If you can try out their stuff, go ahead. I'm not going to read the ingredients. That's what Jen Loves Reviews does. She's fabulous. She will run down on all the ingredients. Although I should start doing that, learning the ingredients, because we all should know what's going in our body, right? Or on our face. We should know. It is vegan and cruelty free. And like I said, I'm on their website, getgoodmolecules.com. Yes, I'm on their website. So it says caffeine 1%, acetyl tetrapeptide 5 to reduce puffiness and swelling by decreasing fluid accumulation. It has niacinamide to soften fine lines, improve skin tone. Actually, I have a jar of that they sent me. It works really well. While to improve skin tone, while aloe barbensis, don't come at me, leaf juice soothes and hydrates, and then it has hydrate, which is hyaluronic acid to boost moisture, reduce appearance of fine lines. So those are the key ingredients: is caffeine, licorice extract, peptides, and aloe vera, and hydrogel technology. So, does the jar contain a spatula to remove them? Yes, each jar comes with a spatula, making it easy to remove them. How long should I wear them? 10 to 15 minutes. Are they cruelty free? Yes. The caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches are cruelty free, which is fantastic for those of you that are now switching over to a lot of the vegan and cruelty free products. And when is the best time to apply these patches? The caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches deliver quick relief for puffy and tired looking eyes. They work great before makeup in the morning or at night before an eye cream. Oh, I'm gonna wear mine in the morning when I'm feeling a little puffy. Actually, a lot of puffy. But this has nothing to do with me being sleepy. Okay, so then it goes on to tell you how to use them. I do use their silicone-free priming moisturizer. I love it. I use their cold pressed Rosehip seed oil. I love that as well. And yeah, you guys, if you can't get them from Good Molecules, get goodmolecules.com. You can try Beautylish because they do take payment. I don't know about Get Good Mouse. They might. You could try. I will link both websites down below so you can try them out. So the next thing they sent me is the Clarify and Cleanse bar, and this is great because my husband right now uses an oatmeal bar. I forgot what it's called. I get him an oatmeal bar. It's like $1, and he likes using that for his face. You know what I need, guys? I need a dish for this. I don't have a dish, so it doesn't accumulate water, but I will look into one. So this says soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay, and cocoa powder, cocoa whatever powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne prone skin. need a drink. This is not tested on animals. Wet cleansing bar in palms with lukewarm water to create mild lather and massage onto damp skin, keeping away from eyes. Rinse off, pat dry with clean towel. I don't smell anything through the plastic, but that's what the bar looks like. I will be trying this out. Like I said, I love Good Molecules, and it's not even expensive. You're getting, for $18, you're getting 60 patches, 30 pairs. And if you're like me, you might put them in a separate little container and put a little serum in there to keep them hydrated and reuse them. You know what I mean? So that is a good deal. The bar on the Get Good Molecules website is $8, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. And let's read what it says. It says, forget everything you know about cleansing bars. This ultra gentle soap-free bar clarifies and detoxifies skin without stripping for a comfortable clean. Made with pH balanced blend of cleansing and soothing ingredients, Good Molecules Clarifying Cleanse Bar washes away impurities from face and body to leave skin clear and even, never tight, irritated, or dry. Have you ever washed your face with something your face feels like real dry and it like kind of hurts, and then you want to slather all this stuff on to make it feel hydrated again? Yeah, I've been there. Formulated without soap or harsh cleansing agents and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Great to know, because a lot of times some people can't use it because they're sensitive to all the different ingredients. So that's actually kind of good. It does list the ingredients here, and then it is vegan, cruelty free, free of soap, sulfates, and parabens. So you get free shipping on any orders of $35 or more. And then it says clarify salicylic acid and tea tree oil help to clarify and prevent blemishes with antiseptic and astringent powers. Even out, so kaolin but clay balances excess sebum, while antioxidant rich cocoa powders soothes inflammation and redness. Oh, that's good, because lately my cheeks have been red. And then rosehip and grapeseed oils nourish and maintain a healthy moisture balance by promoting elasticity. I said it. Wait, give me 1 second. So I do have these down here because I have a shower down here. Oh, that's too much information. Take a shower down here, wash my face. So this is almost it's almost gone. So this is my niacinamide for serum, and that I use that. That's by Good Molecules. Why isn't it? There we go. I use that. And then this stuff here, I love this. This is pure cold pressed rosehip seed oil, and these are very inexpensive as well. And I think they sell like a whole entire kit for less than $80. So it just says wet the bar, work up a creamy lather, massage your hands over your face and body, avoiding contact with eyes, rinse around, dry pad. So that's it. Let's see how much this what was this, like $8? This rosehip? $10. So this is $10. So let's just say you're going to use these 4 products. So you have the bar, which is $8. You have the rosehip oil, which is $10. You have the these gel pads, which are $18. You don't use them every day. And then you have your niacinamide serum. And the serum, let's see, where is it? I can tell you how much that is. It's very, and this whole thing is very inexpensive and very good for you. Niacinamide. Yeah, if it wasn't good, I wouldn't tell you, yeah, go out and buy it. It's you know, just because they're sending me product to try. I like it. I enjoy it. I wear it every day. And I can't say enough good things. They also have like a toner that I use. This is $6. This niacinamide is $6. And then of course you want to do your own research as well, right? Can you use it? Is it going to work for you? Is it not going to work for you? But Good Molecules, their prices are very they're not inexpensive, and they do a great job. And if you can, you know, maybe you just want to use 1 or 2 of their products and not all of them, that's fine too. If you don't want to use any, that's fine too. But I will be using these this week. I will give you my overall I will be using the eye patch gel things on a Saturday for the very first time with all of you, so you can see them, put them on, what does it look like, the before and after. And then I will bring down all my products that I put on as well, to do my whole routine for the morning and night. I put more product on at night than I do during the day, only because at night it can all soak in, and I'm laying there and I don't have to worry about touching my face or sweating it off or rubbing it off or putting on makeup over that. I just do more of my routine at night than I do during the day. So thank you, Beautylish, for sending me Good Molecules products. Thank you, Good Molecules, as well, for letting me try them out. I appreciate it. It's not every day I have the opportunity to try products from a company, and I just love the fact that they've given me trust. They've entrusted me with this, and to bring this all to you. Comes with a little card, but it does say the cleansing bar is $8 and the patches are $18 for $60. Oops. And I love it. So it says they also help with puffy eyes from allergies or cold or long flights. Oh, I have bad allergies. Springtime's coming. My allergies be kicking my ass. I don't know if you can tell, but my face has been looking so much better lately. But for the past month, I have not put on any makeup, and I've been feeling like shit. And I didn't want to come to all of you looking like shit, feeling like shit, and trying to put a smile on my face. So I stayed away from social media, at least bringing you all content. I am getting my stuff together. I've been looking at everybody's content. I have been watching everybody's videos, so I don't want you to think that I'm not watching your videos. I don't always leave comments, but I'm always watching your videos, and I do play playlists. I just don't announce it to the whole world. I'm playing your playlist because I think it's tacky, and I play your playlist and I do it, and I don't say that I do, because I don't think I should have to. I think if I'm playing your playlist or playing your videos and liking them, I shouldn't have to plaster it all over the internet. Just know that I'm there. I know what everyone's going through. I know everyone's been putting out all this wonderful content. Well, I have not. But thank you all for being here with me. But like I said, I do watch a lot of videos. I've been trying to win a lot of things, but then I forget. And then I actually logged out of YouTube on my phone because I was getting very depressed that I was losing a bunch of followers, and I still have these 2 boxes to give away for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I didn't meet my goal by my birthday. My birthday's passed, but hopefully I'll be able to reach that 2,000 soon. And I'm just not gonna set a goal. If I get there this year, that's perfect, but I'm not gonna put a date, because when I don't hit that goal by that date, I get very depressed, and I don't want to feel that way. I want to just keep doing content because I love it. I love being here with you. I love talking with all of you. But like I said, I pop in live streams. I don't say anything, but I do be popping in there, and I try to not say stuff, but I be popping in there. But anyways, thank you, Good Molecules. Thank you, Beautylish. Thank you for entrusting me to give these reviews. I will be giving more reviews on the skincare. Look for it on Instagram because they're a little smaller tidbits of information. But I will talk to you all soon. Hasta laters.